Welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of screened in patio ideas, where the beauty of outdoor meets the comfort of indoor living. Whether you are looking to create a cozy retreat for relaxation or a versatile space for entertaining, I have got a plethora of ideas to help you transform your screened-in patio into the perfect outdoor oasis. Let's start our journey with the importance of comfortable seating. Screened-in patios are all about creating a space where you can relax and unwind while enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. Consider incorporating comfortable seating options like plush sofas, cozy armchairs, or oversized ottomans for lounging and relaxation. Add soft cushions, throw pillows, and outdoor rugs for added comfort and style. And don't forget to accessorize with side tables, lanterns, and potted plants for a touch of personality and charm. Now, let's talk about the allure of dining al fresco. Screened-in patios are the perfect spot for enjoying meals with family and friends in a relaxed and casual atmosphere. Don't forget to include a grill or outdoor kitchen area for easy meal preparation and entertaining. Moving on to the importance of lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting ambience on your screened-in patio. Consider incorporating a mix of lighting options like string lights, lanterns, and candles for layered illumination that enhances the mood and functionality of your space. Hang string lights overhead to create a magical and festive glow. Place lanterns on tables and shelves for added ambience, and use candles or flameless LED candles for a soft and romantic glow that adds warmth and charm to your outdoor oasis. Now, let's explore the beauty of natural elements. Screened-in patios offer the perfect opportunity to bring the beauty of nature into the outdoor space. Don't forget to include natural materials like wood, stone, and wicker for a rustic and inviting look that blends seamlessly with the outdoors. Speaking of blending seamlessly with the outdoors, let's talk about the importance of privacy and protection. Screened-in patios offer protection from insects, sun exposure, and the elements, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors in comfort and style. Consider adding curtains, shades, or blinds to your screened-in patio for added privacy and versatility. Choose lightweight fabrics like sheer or outdoor-friendly materials for a soft and airy feel. And don't forget to coordinate with your decor style for a cohesive and stylish look that enhances the beauty of your outdoor oasis. Now, let's discuss the trend of multifunctional spaces. Screened-in patios are incredibly versatile spaces that can be used for a variety of purposes, from lounging and entertaining to dining and working. Add a cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair and a small side table for a relaxed retreat. Or create a workspace with a desk and chair for outdoor office hours. Moving on to the importance of personalization. Your screened-in patio should reflect your unique style and personality. So, don't be afraid to get creative with your outdoor decor and accessories. Consider incorporating elements like colorful throw pillows, patterned rugs, and outdoor artwork for a pop of personality and charm. As we continue our journey through the screened-in patio design ideas, remember that the key is to create a space that brings you joy and relaxation. Whether you're drawn to comfortable seating, dining al fresco, lighting, natural elements, privacy solutions, multifunctional spaces, or personalization, there's a screened-in patio idea waiting to elevate your outdoor living experience. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy decorating. Please like, share, and subscribe.